हेलो फ्रेंड्स, ये हमारे केमिस्ट्री एमसीक्यू का लास्ट पार्ट है और इसमें हम जितने बाकी बचे हुए क्वेश्चंस हैं उसको देख लेंगे। और अगर आपको ये वीडियोस अच्छे लग रहे हैं तो आप लाइक, शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब कर सकते हैं। चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं। क्वेश्चन नंबर 266 से, दैट द एटॉमिक नंबर ऑफ विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग एलिमेंट इज मोर देन दैट ऑफ फॉस्फोरस। तो यहाँ पे करेक्ट आंसर होगा क्लोरीन। ऑप्शन सी इज द करेक्ट आंसर। 267, the atomic number of which of the following element is more than that of iron. Correct answer will be option B, cobalt. Question 268, there are 6 proton in an atom of carbon and its mass number is 12. The number of neutron in an atom is 12 minus 6, it will be 6. Option B is the right answer. Question 269, how many values of spin quantum number is possible? The correct answer will be option A, 2. 2 values of spin quantum number is possible. Question 270, the type of quantum numbers are. तो क्वांटम नंबर कितने तरह के होते हैं? ये 4 तरह के होते हैं। कौन कौन से होते हैं? पहला, देखिए मैं यहाँ पे एक्सप्लेन करता हूँ। पहला होता है प्रिंसिपल क्वांटम नंबर। प्रिंसिपल क्वांटम नंबर से डिस्क्राइब करते हैं एन से, और ये डिस्क्राइब करता है इलेक्ट्रॉन एनर्जी लेवल। उसके बाद सेकेंड होता है एजीमुथल क्वांटम नंबर। इसे हम डिस्क्राइब करते हैं एल से। ये डिस्क्राइब करता है शेप ऑफ ऑर्बिटल। थर्ड होता है मैग्नेटिक क्वांटम नंबर। मैग्नेटिक क्वांटम नंबर ये डिस्क्राइब करता है ओरिएंटेशन ऑफ ऑर्बिटल। और लास्ट होता है स्पिन क्वांटम नंबर। ये डिस्क्राइब करता है इंट्रिंसिक स्पिन ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन। Question number 271. There are two elements, calcium atomic number 20 and argon atomic number 18. Both elements have same mass number 40. These elements are called. They are known as isobar. Option C is the correct answer. Question 272. The chemical properties of an element depends upon. Correct answer is option A, the number of electrons present in the outer orbit of the atomic element. 273. In which type of reaction the most harmful radiation produces? The correct answer will be option B, fission reaction. फिजन रिएक्शन में मोस्ट हार्मफुल रेडिएशन होता है। Question 274. Atom bomb is based on which of the following principle? It is based upon the, सबसे पहले हम लोग यहाँ पे देख लेंगे, ये फिजन पे है, न्यूक्लियर फिजन। तो किस टाइप का? अनकंट्रोल्ड न्यूक्लियर फिजन। ऑप्शन बी इज द करेक्ट आंसर। (275) The name of atomic bomb dropped on the Japan were? They were Little Man and Fat Boy. Option B is the correct answer. हाइड्रोजन बॉम्ब बेस्ड ऑन विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग प्रिंसिपल? सबसे पहले हमें देखना है इट इज फ्यूजन और फिजन। तो ये है फ्यूजन। तो कैसा फ्यूजन? अनकंट्रोल्ड फ्यूजन रिएक्शन। करेक्ट आंसर इज ऑप्शन डी। (277) The basic principle of nuclear reactor is? Fission. Option C is the correct answer. 278. The substance which is used as both moderator and coolant in nuclear reactor is heavy water. Option D is the correct answer. 279. The bond formed in NaCl is ionic bond. Which of the following element has always its oxidation number 1? Correct answer will be fluorine. Why? Because of its highest electronegativity. फ्लोरीन क्या है? मोस्ट electronegative. 281. In the chemical reaction ZnOC gives Zn plus CO. C act as an. It act as an reducing agent. Correct answer is option D. 282. The pH value of acid rain is nearly 5.5 or less. Correct answer is option A. The estimated pH value of distilled water is nearly 7. The estimated pH value of human blood is, the correct answer is 7.4. Option A is the correct answer. 285. The sugar in the sugar solution is, it is dissolved substance. Option B is the correct answer. और dissolved substance को बोलते हैं solute और water को बोलेंगे solvent. 286. When butter becomes the colloid, when the particles of fat spread in the water. Option C is the correct answer. तो ये किस तरह का emulsion है? It is water in oil emulsion. 287. The smoke is a combination of, it is smoke and fog. Correct answer is option D. 288. The molecular mass of a gas is, the correct answer is twice its vapor density. ये प्रेशर नहीं होता है. अगर ये यहाँ पे डेंसिटी होता तो ये आंसर करेक्ट होता. 289. The chemical reaction in which heat is released is, it is exothermic reaction. और अगर होता कि in which heat is absorbed तो ये होता एंडोथर्मिक. हीट इज absorbed. 290. The nature of which chemical reaction is always endothermic? Decomposition reaction. Correct answer is option B. The splitting process of water molecules through the photoenergy is called photodecomposition. करेक्ट आंसर इज ऑप्शन ए. और इसे हम लोग बोल सकते हैं फोटोलाइसिस. 292. विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज कॉल्ड ऑरम? इट इज गोल्ड. ऑप्शन बी इज द करेक्ट आंसर. 293. विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज नॉट ए फॉसिल फ्यूल? इलेक्ट्रिसिटी. ऑप्शन डी इज द करेक्ट आंसर. 294. थ्रू विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग फ्यूल environmental pollution is the lowest? Correct answer is option C, hydrogen. 295. Which of the following is producer gas? Correct answer is B. The mixture of carbon monoxide and nitrogen. Question 296. The LPG is stored in the domestic gas cylinder in, it is in fluid state. Option C is the correct answer. Gaseous नहीं मारना है, fluid state. 297. Which of the following emergent gas is used in the biogas plant as a fuel gas? Correct answer will be methane. Option C is the correct answer. Question 298. The biogas is also known as another name of gobar gas. Correct answer is option C. 299. The discovery of modern periodic table was done by Moseley. M से Moseley, M से modern periodic table. डिस्कवरी ऑफ मॉडर्न पीरियोडिक टेबल किसके द्वारा किया गया? मॉसले के द्वारा. कब? 1913. और मॉडर्न पीरियोडिक टेबल जो है किस पे बेस्ड है? इट इज बेस्ड ऑन एटॉमिक नंबर. और पुराना वाला जो मॉडर्न पीरियोडिक टेबल आता है वो बेस्ड है एटॉमिक मास पे. 300. विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग एलिमेंट हैज इट एटॉमिक नंबर 3? The correct answer will be lithium. Option B is the correct answer. The less reactive element in the periodic table is noble gas. Correct answer is option C. Noble gas कौन से ग्रुप में है? ग्रुप 18. और इन सब में से भी लीस्ट रिएक्टिव कौन है? हीलियम. हीलियम is the least reactive of all the noble gas. Question 302. What is the property of alkali metals? Correct answer is option D. Easily releases the electrons. और एल्कली मेटल कहाँ हैं? ग्रुप 1 में. दे हैव लो आयोनाइजेशन एनर्जी. एल्कली मेटल के बारे में यहाँ देख लेते हैं. ग्रुप 1 दे हैव लो आयोनाइजेशन एनर्जी. दे आर स्ट्रॉन्ग reducing agent. Why metals conduct electricity? Due to free electron. Option C is the correct answer. Which of the following element has the lowest melting point? Correct answer is bromine. Option A is the correct answer. Which of the following element has the lowest melting point? Correct answer is argon. Option C is the correct answer. Which of the following element has the lowest melting point? The correct answer is D. Mercury. Question 307. Sodium metal is kept inside kerosene. Correct answer is option A. Today in the street lighting, yellow lamps are frequently used. In this lamp, which of the following gases is used? The correct answer is option B. Neon. और नियॉन का एक यूज हमने पहले भी पढ़ा है. इससे जो चमकते हुए बैनर्स होते हैं, बैनर्स विच हैव लाइट, उसमें भी नियॉन यूज किया जाता है. 309. वॉशिंग सोडा इज पॉपुलरली नोन एज. It is known as sodium carbonate. And what is the chemical formula of sodium carbonate? Na2CO3. The chemical name of washing soda is, the chemical name of baking soda is, it is sodium bicarbonate. Correct answer is option A. सब कुछ यही रहेगा. बाई मतलब Na2, बाई की जगह लगा देंगे H और ये हो जाएगा Na2HCO3. Question 311. Which of the following one does not form solid hydrogen carbonate? Correct answer is lithium. Option D is the correct answer. Gunpowder is formed through the mixture of. It is formed with the mixture of charcoal, nitrate of sulfur and potassium. और ये थारकोल नहीं है, ये है चारकोल. Question 313. The milk of magnesia is used in the form of. It is used in the form of laxative. Correct answer is option A. Laxative और कौन सा यूज होता है? एंटा एसिड में भी, टू रिलीव एसिडिटी. 314. The Epsom salt is the compound of 314. Correct answer is Mg, magnesium. B is the correct answer. और अगर एप्सम सॉल्ट का केमिकल फॉर्मूला पूछ लिया जाए तो वो होता है, एक मिनट, MgSO4.7H2O और केमिकल नेम मैग्नीशियम सल्फेट. Which of the following metal is to be found in maximum amount in the earth crust? It will be aluminium. Question 316. Bauxite is an ore of aluminium. Correct answer is option B. Question 317. Which of the following metal is used by industry in the form of bauxite as a crude material? Correct answer is option A, aluminium. Question 318. Which of the following is used in the water purification? Alum. Correct answer is option C. और अगर पूछ लिया जाए व्हाट इज द केमिकल फॉर्मूला ऑफ एलम, तो इट विल बी K2SO4.Al2SO4 और ये भी पूछते हैं कि एलम इज ए सिंगल सॉल्ट और ए डबल सॉल्ट. तो एलम इज ए हाइड्रेटेड डबल सल्फेट salt of aluminium. Question 319. What is a zeolite? The correct answer is hydrated sodium aluminum silicate. Correct answer is option B. 320. The most active component of the bleaching powder is? It is calcium hypochlorite. Correct answer is option B and formula is CaOCl2. Question 321. Which gas is used in the preparation of bleaching powder? Chlorine. Option D is the correct answer. What is the chemical name of chalk? The chemical name of chalk is calcium carbonate. The correct answer is option C. एंड इसका फॉर्मूला होता है CaCO3. ये क्वेश्चन है शायद 323 है, ये 323. विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज सॉल्युबल इन द वाटर? द करेक्ट आंसर विल बी सोडियम क्लोराइड. करेक्ट आंसर इज ऑप्शन ए. 324. The chemical name of marble which is frequently used in house construction and idol preparation is? It is also calcium carbonate. Correct answer is option A. 325. Which of the following salt is to be found in maximum amount in human bones? It will be calcium phosphate. Correct answer is option C. Or calcium phosphate in the form of hydroxyapatite. Question 326. Potassium permanganate is used in the purification of drinking water because it is a strong oxidizing agent. Correct answer is option B. 327. The process of extraction of iron from its iron ore is called reduction. Correct answer is option D. और अगर ये प्रोसेस पूछे, इस प्रोसेस को स्मेल्टिंग भी बोलते हैं, SMELTING. 328. What is the purest form of iron? wrought iron. Option B is the correct answer. 329. The rusting in iron is a chemical process. Correct answer is option B. Chemical process. Sorry. Chemical process या oxidation process. Question 330. What happens in rusting of iron? Oxidation. Correct answer is option C. 331. The filament of electric bulbs are made up of? They are made up of tungsten. Why tungsten? Tungsten have highest melting point. Highest melting point. 332. The brass is an alloy whose components are? Its components are copper and zinc. करेक्ट आंसर विल बी ए. एंड यहीं पे हम लोग जान लेते हैं ब्रॉन्ज का होता है कॉपर एंड टीन. 333. Galvanization is a process in which steel and iron are protected through the rusting by the lamination of zinc. Correct answer is option D. 334. Which of the following is a noble metal? The correct answer will be silver. Option B is the correct answer. 335. Which of the following is the heaviest metal? Correct answer is option A, gold. 336. Which of the following metal is called quicksilver? Correct answer is option C, mercury. 337. Which of the following metal is to be found in the liquid state at the room temperature? Correct answer is option A, mercury. 338. Which of the following metal forms amalgam by combining with any metal? The correct answer is mercury, option D. 339. Which of the following metal pollutes the air of a big city? Correct answer is option C, lead. 340. The percentage of lead in a lead pencil is 0%. लेड की कोई पेंसिल आती है नहीं, पेंसिल बनती है ग्रेफाइट से. पेंसिल इज मेड ऑफ ग्रेफाइट. 341. Which of the following does not dissolve in water? It is lead sulfate. Option A is the correct answer. 342. Which of the following mineral is to be found in the monzite sand? Correct answer is option C, thorium, and thorium is found in the Kerala. 343. Uraninite is an ore of uranium. Correct answer is option B. 344. From which of the following mineral radium is obtained? Pitch blende. Option D is the correct answer. 345. Which of the following statement is not correct? The correct answer will be D. Hydrogen has non-isotope. हमें पता है इसके 3 आइसोटोप होते हैं. क्या क्या? प्रोटियम, ट्रिटियम एंड ड्यूट्रियम. 346. The nucleus of hydrogen atom is made up of only one proton. Correct answer is option A. 347. Which of the following is not a greenhouse gas? Ozone is a greenhouse gas, water vapor is a greenhouse gas, nitrous oxide is a greenhouse. Hydrogen is not a greenhouse gas. Correct answer will be option D. 348. The process of separation of hydrogen from the water is called? It is called electric decomposition. Option A is the correct answer. और इसको बोलते हैं electrolysis. 349. The boiling point of water is 212 degree Fahrenheit. Option B is the correct answer. 350. Which process is used to examine the hardness of water to form leather through the soap? Option C is the correct answer. लेदर नहीं, leather, LATHER, मतलब झाग. कितना झाग बन सकता है साबुन से वो डिस्क्राइब करता है. 351. The glass is a supercooled liquid. Correct answer is option A. 352. The founder of quantum theory of radiation was. The correct answer is Max Planck. Option C is the correct answer. 353. The atomic theory of matter was given by. It is given by Dalton. Full name of Dalton is John Dalton. 354. The bond which is present between water molecule is hydrogen bond. Option C is the correct answer. 355. What happens when a chemical bond is formed? Energy is always released. Option B is the correct answer. 356. Which one among the following is a covalent compound? Carbon tetrachloride. ऑप्शन डी इज द करेक्ट आंसर. और ये आयोनिक कंपाउंड है. मैग्नीशियम फ्लोराइड इज ऑल्सो आयोनिक कंपाउंड. सोडियम क्लोराइड इज ऑल्सो आयोनिक कंपाउंड. 357. The process by which milk is converted into curd is called fermentation. Option C is the correct answer. 358. Which of the following theories said that a bond is formed between two atoms either by sharing or transfer of valence electron? Correct answer is option D. Electronic theory of chemical bonding. इसका और भी दूसरा नाम है. इसको बोलते हैं ऑक्टेट रूल. 359. Consider the following statement. Which of the above statement are correct? Correct answer will be, I think it is C. 1 and 3. Metallic bond is an attractive force. Correct. Electron involved in formation of metallic bond are present at their outermost shell. Correct. 360. In KMnO4 molecule, the oxidation state of element potassium, magnesium and oxygen are respectively. Correct answer is option B. +1, +7 and -2. 361. The date of manufacture of food item fried in oil should be checked before buying because oil become rancid due to oxidation. Correct answer is option A. 362. The browning of paper in old book is caused by oxidation of cellulose. Correct answer is option D. 363. The iron sheet kept in moist air covered with rust. The rust is a compound, and formula of that compound is Fe2O3.XH2O. 364. Which one among the following statement about the bases are correct? All alkali are bases, but all bases are not alkali. Correct answer is option D. Question 365. The pH value of fresh ground water slightly decreases upon exposure to air because CO2 from air is dissolved into water. Correct answer is option A. 366. ये 366 है. When lime juice is dropped on the baking soda, brisk effervescence takes place because the gas evolved is carbon dioxide. Option C is the correct answer. The acid found in the gastric juice is hydrochloric acid. Correct answer is option C. The vitamin C is also known as ascorbic acid. Correct answer is option B. ये क्वेश्चन है 369. The solution in the test tube containing H2O and aqueous NaOH can be differentiated with the help of red litmus. Correct answer is option A. The cloud is a colloidal dispersion of. The correct answer is option D. Water drops in dispersion medium of air. 371. The milk can be assumed as a colloidal system and it is established by casein, a lipophilic colloid in the milk. The correct answer is B. Fat is dispersed in water. A substance which readily forms colloidal solution in contact with water is called hydrophilic colloid. Correct answer is option D. और इसे लाइपोफिलिक कोलाइड बोलते हैं। क्वेश्चन 373, द गेलेटिन इज ए लाइपोफिलिक कोलाइड एंड इट इज मोस्टली यूज्ड इन मेकिंग आइसक्रीम इन ऑर्डर टू। द करेक्ट आंसर विल बी ऑप्शन बी, स्टेबलाइजेस द कोलाइड एंड प्रिवेंट क्रिस्टलाइजेशन। क्वेश्चन 374, सम ऑफ द फॉलोइंग आर सस्पेंशन। तो कौन कौन से इसमें सस्पेंशन हैं ये आपको बताना है। तो इसमें ब्लड और पेंट ये सस्पेंशन है। तो बाकी क्या है, तो फॉग और एरोजोल्स जो है ये कोलाइड है। थ्री 375, the process of diffusion in gases take place due to the correct answer is difference in their densities. Option A is correct answer. 376, choose the correct statement. All are correct. Option D is the correct answer. Emulsifier stabilizes the emulsion, correct. Soap, detergent, hydrophilic colloids are emulsifier, correct. Cleansing action of soap is due to the formation of emulsion. This is also correct. 377, a person living in Simla observed that cooking food without use of pressure cooker take more time. The reason for this observation is that in high altitude pressure decreases. पहाड़ पे ऊपर जाएंगे प्रेशर डिक्रीज होगा, इसके कारण खाना बनने में समय ज़्यादा लगता है। 378, in a reaction the concentration of reactant is equal to the concentration of product. This state is known as chemical equilibrium. Correct answer is option B. 379, the gas used in refrigerator is it cooled down when expanded. मतलब जो गैस रेफ्रिजरेटर में यूज होती है जब वो ठंडी होती है तो वो एक्सपेंड कर जाती है, और इस फिनोमिना को हम बोलते हैं जूल थॉमसन इफेक्ट। 380, a spontaneous change in one in which there is lowering of free energy. Correct answer is option D. एक स्पॉन्टेनियस चेंज वही है जिसमें फ्री एनर्जी को लोअर कर दिया जाए। 381, विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग रिप्रेजेंट द रेट कांस्टेंट फॉर द रिएक्शन इन विच एक्टिवेशन एनर्जी इज जीरो। द रेट कांस्टेंट इज इंडिपेंडेंट ऑफ टेम्परेचर। मतलब रेट कांस्टेंट और टेम्परेचर ये दोनों आप इंडिपेंडेंट है, इनका कोई रिलेशन नहीं है। 382, विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज रिस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर द कंडक्शन ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिसिटी थ्रू द इलेक्ट्रोलाइटिक सॉल्यूशन। The correct answer will be movement of ion of electrolyte. Option A is the correct answer. 383, food cans are coated with tin but not with zinc because zinc is more reactive than tin. 1 minute guys. Right. 383, the food can are coated with tin but not with zinc because zinc is more reactive than tin. Correct answer is option C. 384, the silverware turns black after a period of time due to the formation of. The correct answer is sulfate coating on silver. Option B is correct. 385, which of the following acid is used in the lead storage battery? Sulfuric acid. Option C is the correct answer. The heaviest naturally occurring element is, it is uranium. Option B is the correct answer. The highly reactive metal are found in combined state in nature. The natural substance containing metal in combined form are known as mineral. A mineral is called ore if a metal can be profitably extracted from it. Correct answer is option C. एक और तभी होगा जब उससे एक मेटल को प्रॉफिटेबली एक्सट्रैक्ट किया जा सके। 388 इन जनरल द मेटल obtained by reduction contain impurities. The presence of small impurities make a metal quite hard because impurities change the lattice structure of metal. Option A is the correct answer. 389 the heating of an ore below its melting point in the absence of the air is known as calcination. Correct answer is option A. जब भी कोई ओर को हम हीट करेंगे उसके मेल्टिंग पॉइंट के नीचे और बिना हवा के तो उसे बोलेंगे कैल्सिनेशन। 390 व्हेन वाटर इटसेल्फ कंबाइन केमिकली विथ सम एलिमेंट और मिनरल इट इज कॉल्ड हाइड्रेशन। ऑप्शन सी इज द करेक्ट आंसर। द ड्यूट्रियम इज ए नॉन रेडियोएक्टिव आइसोटोप ऑफ हाइड्रोजन एंड इट रिसेंबल लाइक हाइड्रोजन इन केमिकल प्रॉपर्टीज बट it reacts slower than hydrogen. Correct answer is option A. The hardness of water is caused by which of the following element? The correct answer is calcium and magnesium. Option A is the correct answer. In the preparation of dalda or vanaspati ghee from vegetable oil, it utilizes the following process. That process is known as hydrogenation. Correct answer is option C. Which one of the following is used to restore the color of old oil painting? The correct answer will be hydrogen peroxide. Option B is the correct answer. Which chemical was an important symbol in our struggle for freedom? ये नमक मतलब सॉल्ट सत्याग्रह की बात करें तो सोडियम क्लोराइड के बारे में बात करें, NaCl जो हमारा कॉमन सॉल्ट है। 396 which one among the following metal is used in firework to make a brilliant white light? The correct answer will be magnesium. Option B. The CFL contains mercury. Which one of the following man-made sources has major contribution in the mercury pollution in India? The correct answer is coal-fired power plant. Option A is the correct answer. The teeth and bone acquire strength and rigidity from calcium. Option D is the correct answer. The solution of silver nitrate is kept in a brown bottle in the laboratory because brown bottle stop the passages of light through it. Correct answer is option B. What is the purpose of adding baking soda to dough to generate carbon dioxide? तो इससे क्या होगा, ये फूल जाएगा, डो पफी बनता है। तो इसके साथ हमारे केमिस्ट्री के सारे MCQ ख़त्म हो गए हैं। अब हम बायो के सेक्शन के MCQ देख लेंगे एक दिन में। और अगर आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आ रही है तो आप इसे लाइक, शेयर और सब्सक्राइब करें। थैंक यू फ्रेंड्स।